Welcome to the Pearsall Library at North Carolina Wesleyan College. The purpose of this brief tutorial is to provide you with easy access to search our electronic resources and electronic databases to search for scholarly and peer-reviewed articles for your papers and projects. This information is accessible to any of our students located here in Rocky Mount or any of our satellite locations. As long as you have access to the internet, you can conduct these searches. So for example, I want to search for an article on influenza. I'm going to click on Databases, A to Z, and this is going to provide you with a large array of subject-related databases that again provide you with access to scholarly and peer-reviewed articles that will be beneficial for your papers and projects. But for this one, again, I'm wanting to search for influenza-related articles, so CINAHL is a great database for health and medical-related information. I click on CINAHL, and in the search box, I'm going to type in influenza and hit search. And this is going to provide you with a lot of articles that provide information pertaining to influenza. So let's just say this is one you want to take a look at, PDF full text. When you click PDF full text, that's going to take you to an actual image of the article itself. And you have options on the right to print this article. You can save it onto your computer. You can email this article to yourself. If you need assistance with the citations, you hover over Cite, click Cite, and this will provide you with the citations for your paper. APA is one popular style, as is MLA and Chicago. We hope this tutorial has been beneficial for you. Please don't hesitate to contact us if we can be of further assistance. Thank you.